We are setting up the S100 SensaMist Diffuser for 24-hour operation. So to do that, you want to begin by programming the clock. So press the set button. You want your current time and current day of the week. So press the set button and the hours start blinking. Use the up and down arrows to adjust the hours. We're going to do 8 a.m. Press set and the minutes start blinking. So we want to go down to 0. Use the up and down arrows to adjust that. Press set again and the days of the week start blinking here at the top. So we'll again use the up and down arrows to adjust the day of the week. We're going to set this for Wednesday. Press set and your current day and time is set for the diffuser. Next we want to program the 24-hour operation. So to do that, press mode. And we'll see the start time, or when it will begin operation. For 24-hour operation, we're going to want that at 0-100 hours. So we want to press set and the hours start blinking. Use the up and down arrows to adjust the hours. We're going to go down to 0. Press set and the minutes start blinking. So we use the up and down arrows to adjust the minutes to 0, 0. Now for 24-hour operation, it has to be 0-100 hours as the beginning time. Press set again and the days of the week start blinking there at the top. So we want to do 7 days a week, 24/7 operation. So we want to go until you see Monday through Sunday blinking at the top. Press set again and we will press the mode. Now we advance to the event off time, or when it will conclude spraying. So for 24-hour operation, we want this to be 23:59. So we use the up and down arrows to adjust the hours to 23. Press set again and we want to adjust the minutes to 59. Now you don't have to do the days of the week again because you did that during the event on period. So just press set again and then press mode. This will be your length of time, or length of spray, your spray duration. So use the up and down arrows to adjust the length of spray, either longer going up or shorter going down. For a more intense fragrance, you want to a longer length of spray. We're going to do a 60-second spray here. Press mode. This will be your scent pause, or your interval between sprays. And again, this is figured in seconds, so you're going to use the up and down arrows to adjust that. For a more intense fragrance, you're going to want a shorter length of time between sprays, or interval between sprays. And for a less intense fragrance, you're going to want a longer interval between sprays. So we're going to go down to 120 seconds between each spray. Then press mode. Now here you'll see event 2. So you're going to want to mode through event 2, mode through event 3, and mode through event 4. It's very important that you do not schedule any other events during a 24-hour operation that will overlap. Now the S100 SensaMist Diffuser is scheduled for Monday through Sunday operation, 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. Again, this is a 24-hour clock, so keep that in mind when you are programming the diffuser. But this is scheduled for 24-hour operation.